Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your app icons bigger or smaller on your iPhone running iOS 18. iOS 18 gives us a new option to adjust the size of app icons without affecting other elements on your device. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18. This feature is available only on iOS 18 and won't work on iOS 17 or lower. Now long press anywhere on your home screen until the app icons start shaking, indicating you're in wiggle mode. Tap on the Edit option at the top left corner of the screen. This will present you with two options: Add Widget and Customize. Click on the Customize option. A menu will pop up with several customization options for your home screen icons. Look for the option labeled Large. Tap on this option to make your app icons larger without affecting the size of other elements like text or settings on your iPhone. By following these steps, you can enjoy larger app icons, making it easier to see and access your favorite apps without changing the size of anything else on your device. If this video was helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.